Today we're gonna make this beautiful dish, pistachio crusted lamb chops with a pomegranate glaze. To get started on making our pistachio crusted lamb chops with a pomegranate glaze, we're gonna start on the stove so we can get our glaze started cooking. So in our saucepan, we're gonna turn to medium heat, and we are gonna use 1 cup of pomegranate juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So we have this on medium heat. We're gonna stir this just so that I can get the honey to dissolve. And we need to reduce this by half to make it into a glaze. So this will take probably about 10 minutes. I'm gonna lower this heat, and we're gonna get started on our pistachio. So we have about 8 lamb chops for this, 1 rack, and we've cleaned them so they're all ready to go. And now we're gonna get started on our pistachio crust that we're gonna put onto our lamb chops. So we have pistachios. I'm gonna use this food processor, put them right in here so we can finely chop them. And then we'll take the pistachio and we're gonna transfer it to this bowl so that we can mix all the other ingredients together. So we have our pistachios there. Next, we're gonna put in 1/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. We have garlic, minced garlic, about 2 cloves, chop that up. And then we have rosemary. So we're gonna finely chop about 1 tablespoon of rosemary. The smell of rosemary always reminds me of the holidays, and this dish is perfect for the holidays. And when I say holidays, the whole season, October, November, December, that whole season of the holidays, you can make this dish, and it's gonna be so beautiful on your table. So we'll take our rosemary, it's about 1 tablespoon of that, add that to the mixture. And now we're gonna get our lamb chops ready to cook. So I'm gonna take this mixture, mix this together. Perfect. And now we have our lamb chops. We're gonna do some salt and pepper. So we'll salt and pepper either side of the lamb chops. Some salt. And then we're gonna take some olive oil right here in this bowl, and we're gonna brush the olive oil onto the lamb chops. So this is important because we're gonna encrust this whole mixture onto there. So we need the olive oil so it's gonna help keep all of the mixture onto it. So we're gonna brush that on both sides. And this one is so easy. It's gonna look like it was more labor intensive than it actually is. So now we're gonna take our mixture and we're gonna coat the lamb chops, press it down firmly all over, because you wanna get them, cover the entire lamb chop here. Look at that, beautiful. Flip it again, just wanna make sure that they're all on there. And now we're gonna go to the stove and sear them in an oven-safe skillet, because we're gonna put them in the oven after. We're gonna sear them, and I've preheated the oven at 400 degrees, so it's ready for us to add it right to the oven. So we're gonna go take this whole thing right over to the stove. So we have our skillet nice and hot. You want it nice and hot so we could sear these lamb chops. I'm gonna put them down, and you can hear it sizzle. So we're gonna sear them just a couple minutes on either side, and then we'll transfer it to the oven. Taking our lamb out of the oven. Look at that, looks beautiful. So now I'm gonna plate this. I have a nice black plate here. I'm gonna take our lamb chops, put this right here before I cut them, and some more of the pistachio, put it right down. On our plate for plating purposes. So now I'm gonna grab our pomegranate glaze. I'm gonna drizzle this right on top of the lamb. smells amazing. So we have that, and a little rosemary on the sides. And this dish is ready. Look at that. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.